So we just got an inner tube.
Full of jizz.
Yeah, apparently full of nasty,
It smells.
Oh, it's all congealed down here. Things that we can do to describe.
Stop it!
I'm putting it over here.
On your bike seat?
Yeah.
Get this thing fucking down.
Can I smash it?
This is kind of scary.
Don't do that now, they're just gonna explode off.
Watch, it's gonna explode. Matthew. Matt, we're waiting. Fire. Not flammable at all.
You want to glue shit in place? Oh!
Still draining.
Get him out of here.
Yeah, put in the glue.
Yummy. If you want something flammable, I'm sure that's extremely flammable.
Oh, glue? Any kind of glue.
This isn't glue. Oh crap, this is supposed to be the purple stuff.
It's not
And?
purple anymore.
It's not turning purple.
It's supposed to be. It's supposed
No,
to be
it's not
purple.
purple.
Having trouble?
It's solid.
Wait, let's get a camera shot of that. Now move it around so you can see it.
I'm assuming that's too dried to use.
Just a little.
Yeah, we have to wait.
There's a Publix right next to the house.
I think we're gonna have to cut down the barrels.
We'll just steal the potatoes.
It makes it lose.
I guess you're just what I needed.
Badly. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Hi.
You needed someone to please. I guess you're just what I needed.
Bored are we?
Yeah, it's supposed to be.
Here, come and purple it up.
Okay. We're gonna do
I think
each contact. Where's the side that's
This
blended
one.
already?
Oh yeah. That's the stuff. That's actually working out really well.
No, get the other side.
No,
Put
we don't
pressure,
want to
remember?
damage it.
I don't want it to explode.
Well, even if it explodes, if it's encased in duct tape, it'll just go.
That's the goal.
Instead of, you know, that's sort of what we're trying to avoid.
Yeah, try to get the inner tube to get a tire into this string.
Yeah, because I don't want to pump it
I know. Won't that be
sideways.
Oh, dude! Come here.
Slippery?
No, come here.
Huh?
Well, hang on. What?
Just come here.
You
haven't
walk
tried
right
it yet.
past it. That's normal. That's not unusual. It's a spud gun.
We just finished gluing it. Joe, do you know where there's duct tape? Unless they're red potatoes and then it'll just
That's true.
explode on the inside.
God. This is the shittiest thing ever. It actually looked okay till that point.
From here on, it's gonna look fucking retarded.
I'm using the other hand though. Like
Yeah,
any rocket.
we'll put fucking fireworks in the air and we'll.
Doesn't look
Do
bad.
that.
Well, no, we need at least two people.
Is it getting easier?
Yeah, but every once in a while it gets just like totally stuck.
The actual air has a lot.
So it's like ready, 3, 2, 1.
Potato.
Yeah, the potato cannon.
Bring
Dude,
it
you're
down.
just gonna rip the bag and then all the potato chips are gonna fall out.
No.
Is it closed?
Yeah, it is.
Pretty tight seal.
Can we just shoot it over here?
Yeah, let's try it.
No.
Oh god, I don't know if I want to be here right now. He says right before the explosion occurs. Keep going. It's live.
No, more than
I
that.
want to see it work first. Okay.
That was it.
I know.
You have to hold it for
It's a
good-
long fucking tube. You really think that?
Yeah, it's
I
not gonna
still
get
don't
pressure.
want it to explode next to my face. 45. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
The glue was not fucking dry.
I felt that.
Oh god, that was great. I ran off of that shot and like, oh. Oh.
wait.
No, dude, we have to turn it.
Why? Oh! Oh! Let's just fill it up with air again. Well, not with me here.
You saw how much force it had before.
35 pounds? I really feel...
We have a golf ball.
Here, throw it over here.
Golf ball?
Dude, golf ball isn't gonna work unless we pad it with something. Oh, do you have like, yeah! We're gonna do this Civil War style. No, that's not how it works. Here's how it works.
All the shoes on, hopefully. No, you can use this to prop it up again.
That's a good idea.
Or,
Hold it there.
alright, put it at 40.
Hold it. Let's try it.
Oh god. It's sealed, right?
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Other way! I told you! Fucking late!
Oh, that was great. Let's see, that's why we didn't launch it that way.
Yeah.
Keep going. Do it. Ready? Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Did you enjoy this performance?
I did,
garlic.
thank you.
And it went into the valve, so we can't close it out. Well, hey, we could try to do the air pressure like you said before,
Yeah,
just to push it out enough.
I guess.
Put pressure on it. Hold on over here. What'd you guys do with my rock?
I didn't do anything with it.
Which way? This way.
Technically, we got it in.
Holy crap.
Did it clear? Oh.
Almost. Did you finish it?
Yeah, it's bitter.
It's so nasty.
It's so bitter.
1, 2, 3. Other way. Other way.
Holy shit.
And it's so simple. We're gonna hurt ourselves one day with something like this.
1, 2, 3.
Did it break?
Hold it.
Oh God!
Out of nowhere.
Oh.
Hey, we're gonna fly. Is it closed?
Yeah. Spaceman, we need to get a helmet for him. Yeah, this is gonna be different. No, it's not.
It's better than nothing in them. This is sad.
Let's do shrapnel next time with potato chips. Open the potato chips and do it.
Do it.
1, 2, 3. Yeah. Right now, what are we aiming at? Well, we're just launching it that way. Holy crap! I didn't see it go anywhere.
Woo!